Kotlin constructors. A constructor is a concise way to initialize class properties. It is a special member function that is called when an object is instantiated or created and when these objects against the object memory spaces are getting occupied. However, how they work in Kotlin is slightly different. So here we are having two types of constructors we can have here. One is the primary constructor, concise way to initialize a class. Another one is the secondary constructor, allows us to put additional initialization logic. So one is the primary constructor, another one is the secondary constructor. The primary constructor is part of the class header, and here is one example. Here you can see that here the class is there, the name of the class is employee, and this is the primary constructor. Here we are just defining that these are the respective members are there and their corresponding data types, and here we will be having the class body might be containing some methods or member methods defined in this class. This block of code surrounded by parentheses is the primary constructor, that means this part. The constructor declared two properties. First one is the emp first name, that means this one, read-only property as it's declared using keyword val, and emp age, that means this one, read-write property as it is declared with the keyword var. So here is var, here is val. So I think it will be better if you go for one practical example to show you that how such constructors can be declared, can be accessed, and how the outputs are getting obtained from such Kotlin code. So here is the demonstration for you. Now we shall discuss about the primary constructor, and which is the part of the class header. Here you see, here we have defined one class. The name of the class is employee, and here we are having this primary constructor. So we are having two variables. So one is the emp first name of the type string, and the one is the emp age of the type integer. So from the main function we have defined one object of the class employee. So it has been declared in this way. So the value of this particular string will be assigned to this emp first name, and this value is getting assigned on this emp age. And later this emp1 dot, that is the object name dot emp first name and object name dot emp age, using them we have printed the respective values. So now let me go for the output here. So the first name of the employee is Sanjeev and the age of the employee is 30. So this is a very good demonstration of the usage of primary constructor, which is the part of the class header. Thanks for watching this video.